A Bird or Two, a story about Henri Matisse. When Henri Matisse returned to Nice in the winter, the brilliant sun warmed everything. He looked at the sea, the palm trees, and the sun, as if for the first time. Because of the delicate and bright sun of Nice, Matisse's colors changed. To his color palette, he added the bluest sapphire blue he could imagine, and with it, he painted the Mediterranean Sea. Matisse thought, "I like it here. It is a paradise. I will paint greens greener than apples, yellows more yellow than lemons." His friends said he paints the sunshine every day. He draws everywhere, everyone all the time. He works joyfully with a light heart. He is enchanted. There were no colors Matisse didn't like. He loved black and painted it just as he would any other color. He used it on pure white paper as a fine, simple curving line, which he called an arabesque. He also painted it to show the cool, shady places inside his house and the light filtering from the sun outside. Matisse was so delighted with his new work that he kept on painting, simply, effortlessly. All his life was in harmony with the way he felt. He wrote to his friend Bernard, also a painter, "Long live painting." Matisse could paint the light on a leaf or the slow-moving branches of palm trees and silvery olive trees. With just as much ease, he could paint dancers in a round dance. Or joyful ladies in feathered hats and pearls. He also sculpted figures in clay. They too were cheerful and filled with love. Matisse made us hear with our eyes the music he painted in his pictures. He said, "I am strong because I do what is in my mind." Matisse was also delicate and fragile. He was as beautiful and simple as his paintings of mimosa flowers, shells, coral fish, the sunshine, and a bird or two.